Yo, what's up YouTube sneaker fam? It's AJ1KO here, Steven, with a sneaker unboxing. I saw these in the store and they didn't have my size, so I had to go ahead and order them online. I already did the liberty of cutting this open. Whoops. That's gonna... wowie. Oh gosh. There it is. So, judging from the box, you can already see this is Nike. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. It's the AJ1KO Chicago colorway that just came out. It's a lid. Little thing from where I got them, hotnessfeet.com. Paid a little over retail. But here is the shoe. Oh, they smell weird. The official colorway on these, if I can find it. Made in China, blah blah blah. White, black, gym red. That's pretty much it. So here's the shoe. Comes with an extra pair of white laces. These are my first pair of Jordans. I'm really excited to rock these. So let's go over the shoe really quick. Starting off with the toe box. Actually, start from the bottom. You got this nice gym red outsole. They went away with the newer, I think it's the newer Air Jordan outsole, but this is the older one, more retro, with that Nike hit right there. Coming up, it's a white midsole with a white stitching. Moving up to the toe box, you got a white toe box and a red, gym red right here around the toe box shield, I don't know what it's called. You got more white right here on the outside. You got a nice leather swoosh going around the back. Leather AJ1KO right there, stitched. Usually just says Air Jordan or something, but it says AJ1KO. Coming up, you got the Nike on the tongue. This tongue is not this same material, this canvas material. It's feels like a nylon. On the inside, got that red, the white, and that leather swoosh. More leather right here. On the back, no Jumpman, which I really like. That's why I bought these, because they do not have the white. Little mess up right there. Don't really like that, but more leather right here. Padding is just mesh. If I take this thing out, goodness, wow, that was hard to get out. There's a Nike in there. Faces are black tips. The reason I bought these shoes, my first Jordans, was because they were more retro-y. They were true to the OGs. They did not have that Jumpman right there, and they did not have the Jumpman on the tongue. They went with Nike on the back. There's that no Jumpman, like I said. That's why I really like this shoe. It was true to the OGs. For some reason, I don't really like the Jumpman. It's just not my thing. I don't like wearing it. I don't know why. I just don't like it. I had the Oreos at one point, but I sold them just because of the Jumpman, really. I didn't like it. Here's the other pair. Exactly the same. But I'm going to give you some close-up shots, some on feet, and that'll be it. Thank you for watching. So here's the shoe on feet. Just wearing some Adidas joggers right now. Show you all that. I went down half a size on these because I know they run long, but they feel really nice on feet. Just really nice shoe in my opinion. This canvas, especially the white part right here and right here, gonna get real dirty if you don't take care of these. I plan on taking good care of them though. These look real nice. I'm gonna put on some khakis, my favorite pair of khakis with these, and I'll show you what those look like. But actually, I'll pull these up right now. Sorry, I shaved my leg right there for a track. So that's what some Elite socks look like. Just some Elites. I'm probably all sideways because I wore these to practice. But there's that. I like to kind of bunch these down a little bit. I don't like them plastered onto my leg like I painted them. I love this shoe. This is the reason why I bought these shoes. Just the way they look with khakis, man. These are just fire with khakis on. Nothing can beat these with khakis. These are straight fire. Love this shoe so much. You're gonna see a lot of wear out of these. These might just be in my top 3 right now. So I'm gonna hit y'all with some detailed shots. Thank you for watching. AJ1KO here, and I'm out.
Go. Wait a minute. Go. Wait a minute. Go. I'm so fresh. Go. Wait a minute. Start a cat, broke off with the hologram. I'm in a rich folks home like an automat. I got green in my hand like a Heineken. I'm throwback like a Flintstone bottom man. I'm fire, all I need is the brimstone. I make noise in the streets like a ringtone. My time's high, so I'm getting my fade low. I make movies with my lover like J-Lo. I'm living so shiny, your boy on top. I'm like phone trap, a nigga can't stop. I'm weird like Al, I'm strange like love. I wear hot pink cause it fit like glove. I'm easy on the eyes, I'm hard on a hater. My hoodie like Saber, like Darth Vader. I'm always with a chick cause a nigga so sick. Need an entourage quick so you can hug it out, bitch. So fresh. This shit don't suit me. A nigga Joe cool and you niggas just snoop.